Good morning from ReSell CNC, specializing in used CNC equipment, auctions, liquidations, and appraisals. Wanted to show you something very exciting today. New piece of inventory that just arrived. It's a Haas TM1 tool room mill. This machine is a 2002. It has 30 by 12 by 16 travel, X, Y, and Z. It's a 4,000 RPM machine. And once again, it's a 2002 model. This just arrived into our facility. It is wired for the 4th axis. You can see the A-axis drive, the plugs are put in. There's no wiring for the 5th. I'll take a quick lap around the machine here. See if we can show it's manufactured in 12 of 02. Which was installed in 2003. If you have any questions on this machine, you can give us a call at ReSell CNC 407-478-8181.